Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we are going to talk about what we're going to do on this job. In this living room we have 4 in-ceiling speakers, and we have our living room TV, which is going to be a 87-inch LG TV, and we're going to use HDMI ARC through a Cat 6 Balun to over here where we are running Sonos amps for all the areas for ease of control. We also have a pair of James loudspeaker speakers by the pool and a sub that are also using the James A2.1 amplifier and a Sonos port to operate it with Sonos as well. And then we have 2 more Sonos amps that'll go for this patio out here. It's really cool, and they're not done quite framing it out, so we'll take a step right out here and look real fast. So we're also running 4 speakers out here and 2 over there. But we'll also be using ARC off the TV on both sides of this fireplace. It actually passes through up here at the top to the other side. Like I said, they're still framing it a little bit so we can get our bracket in there probably tomorrow, maybe in a later date. We'll see. Stay tuned to see what we do on that. It'll be very cool. So as we talked about the living room and both little patios, we have an electrician out there doing some stuff, so we're not going to get in their way on the other side. But if we come take a look in here, this is our network closet, which they killed power on us, so I can't turn the light on. But if you take a look in here, we got a 16-port PoE switch with all of our network wires to feed it for internet throughout the house via access points, direct connections to TVs, so on and so forth. You always want to remember when you're wiring the house, before you get to this stage, access points are always, going to be easy to run that date versus trying to do like a mesh network or something like that, and it's always going to work best. So we have 1 outside, 1 at this end of the hallway, and then 1 over here towards the master bedroom. So we'll have sufficient cover throughout the whole entire house with our Wi-Fi. Remember to stay tuned and check this job out as we go along. We'll keep making more videos. Remember to like and subscribe down below, and you guys have a great choice day.